The goal of a closet cleanse is not just to declutter and just to remove things from your closet, because you do need to organize your closet, but the goal of a closet cleanse is really to bring harmony to your closet, bring harmony to your style. It's about aligning your mind, your body, and your style. Because as you work on your personal style, it's important that you go through your closet and remove those pieces that doesn't fit you, doesn't make you feel great about yourself. It doesn't inspire growth. It doesn't inspire you feeling joyful and feeling happy about yourself, because everything starts in your closet. You're prepared to go on dates from your closet. You're prepared to take care of your kids from your closet. You're prepared to go on an interview in your closet. Everything happens in your closet. So your closet must align with who you are and how you want to express yourself and how you want to feel about yourself. Because if your closet does have pieces in there that doesn't allow you to feel great about yourself, what's going to happen is that you're not going to pursue your goals in a manner that really feels empowering and inspiring to you. So your task for today is to go into your closet, go through the pieces that's in there. What are some pieces that you haven't worn in a while? Like, take those out. What are some pieces that are too big or too small? Take those out. Are you holding on to pieces that, the someday pieces? If you're holding on to someday pieces, today's the day. If you're not going to wear it today, then maybe you need to gift it to someone that's going to make use of those pieces. Do you have pieces in your closet that has tags on it? Those are some pieces that you have to decide. Are you keeping it? Are you selling it? Or are you going to wear it? Right? Because we're all about bringing harmony to our closet and aligning who you are and how you want to show up, and making sure that you only have those pieces that help you to become the best version of yourself.